In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up a child theme for your WordPress website and why it's important. And so it's important because all of your customizations should go in the child theme. And then also it makes it easy for any sort of quick customizations for plugins. You could just put the functions in the child theme, like a function that a developer might make for you. Technically, there's other ways to handle that as well, but a child theme is essentially where all of your customizations go. And so I've had clients that don't have child themes, and then all of their customizations go in their parent theme. And then what happens is anytime an update happens, your code gets wiped clean and all of your changes and customizations get erased. And so that's not good, because I've had clients that have not updated their website in years because all of their code customizations are in their parent theme and they don't want to waste all their money, so they just don't update their website, and then it leaves a vulnerable, insecure website, and so it's just bad. So best practice is to have a child theme, just because it's really easy to do also, so there's no excuse to not have one. Even if you aren't a coder, there's plugins that make it super easy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create a child theme for the 2017 theme. And we'll go ahead and, in your WordPress dashboard, you just go down to plugins and then click add new, and then search plugins. If you search for a child theme, it will be the first option that shows up, a child theme configurator, and we'll go ahead and click install, and then we can activate it. Once it's activated, oh, you should probably back up your website first, just in case. But yeah, anyway, so once you've activated that theme, you can hit Tools, and there should be an option called Child Themes, and then we can create a new child theme. If you already have an existing child theme, but you need to add files, then you can. Then I'll show you how to do that after this in just a moment. So assuming you don't have a child theme, we can hit create a new child theme, and then you select the parent theme that you want to get the child theme from, and so we're going to be doing 2017, and we'll click analyze, and then I wouldn't mess with the name because this is the general format that everybody uses, so it just makes it easier. Just 2017 hyphen child, or parent theme, and then hyphen child is the naming format. And where to save the styles, I would leave this alone, so I would keep this as primary style sheet, and then select the parent theme style sheet handling. Use the WordPress style queue. Just let them handle the defaults, because the defaults are set to work for 90% of the cases. So use WordPress style queue, and then we don't need to mess with this. And then we basically just want to copy the customizer settings from the parent theme into the child theme, and then we can create a new child theme. So this is like where your theme customizer is, all the settings in there. Okay, so child theme 2017 has been generated, so you definitely take a look at it before you activate it. And then now we need to add a couple extra files. So we're going to use configure an existing child theme, and then you might want to check to see, just to see what we have here. So if you go into Appearance Editor, and you can see the 2017 child theme. If you hit select, then we can see all the files that have been generated. So this child theme only has a style.css and a functions.php file. So we need the header file, but we should probably get the footer file as well. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's for like Google Analytics code, if you want to have that in there. So where is it? Tools, child themes. And then we're going to configure an existing child theme, and we're going to select the files. Yeah, and you want to make, oh yeah, okay, so currently loaded 2017 child. So you want to make sure that you're pulling files from the right parent theme. So 2017 child, we'll hit files, and then we want to grab the header.php file and the footer.php file. So copy to selected child theme, and child theme files modified successfully. So now if we go to editor, and child theme for 2017, we hit select. Now we can see our header.php file and our footer and etc. So now if you want to add your Google Analytics code, you can do that here in the header. But that's essentially how you set up a child theme, and then you want to activate that theme. So you'll go to Appearance Themes, and then you want to make sure you keep the parent theme installed, because the child theme relies and is dependent upon the parent theme. So if you wanted to use the 2017 theme, you would activate the 2017 child theme. And so that is how you set up a child theme. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like the video and leave a comment letting me know what you thought, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. And also click on the link in the description to get your free guide on how to grow your business online, and just definitely check out what we have going on our website. And have a good day.